Meaning of express train.
Express train.
Express train.
Express train.
Express train. An express train is a type of passenger train that makes limited stops compared to regular trains, allowing for faster travel times between major cities or destinations. These trains skip smaller stations and may have fewer or no intermediate stops, making them well suited for long-distance journeys. Express trains are often more expensive than regular trains due to their faster speeds and limited stops, but they offer the convenience of reaching a destination quickly and efficiently. Overall, express trains provide a time-saving option for travelers who want to reach their destinations faster while sacrificing some stops along the way.